My name is Sam Argenio. I was hired by my parents, Paula and Andrew Argenio. My home hotspot is Wilmington, North Carolina. Surf's up. So right now we are at Burlington's ACT and it is just amazing. Everyone here is fired up, ready to go take over. We're getting motivated, but we're also learning the basics. So it's just like, how do we make dials? What do you say when you get on the phone? How do you recruit? The information and the detail of it is unbelievable. Well, firstly, you should apply if your growing upline tells you to. You should also apply because there's 50 people here and there's top leaders in the company here, and there's never gonna be a better opportunity to find them, get their name or get their phone number. You know, it's like little puzzle pieces we gotta fill in and figure out what we need to do better. And the quickest way you can do that is by developing a relationship and having the opportunity to ask them questions. You get in your own head and you're like, oh my gosh, you know, warm market recruit, how do I even do that? How do I call my friends and say, hey, do you want to work with us? How do, I do these things? It all seems so overwhelming. What I'm really seeing is that it's just a matter of scheduling it and doing it. It's not that overwhelming. It's all pretty reasonable stuff, and I just have to make the decision to do it and then follow through. Dude, when I leave ACT, I got a ton of stuff to do. So I know right off the bat, I need to start booking 20 appointments because like anything less is not an option. And so I need to double what I'm doing on the sales side of things. Andy talked about being a gamer. He talked about the book 3D Coach and how like gamers game. They get the ball in the hoop, not that complicated, but they do whatever it takes. And so generally, I just really want to work to be the gamer that Andy is looking for. That's a commitment that I am very serious about.